go cut. We are in cut. I know for a cut. I broke over if don't be smart, no. God will lead us through.
Amen. No. Amen.
Remember when I did wear Suleja prison coat? I wore priestly. My first time of here is Suleja prison coat. Now Suleja here they drop me. Black Maria. As soon as they drop me, I go jump out of Black Maria. Just they go inside. The first time I came here, and Suleja prison, they carry me dump here. Now I'm walking with my feet. No guide. Nobody will guide me. I'm telling you. No wahala. It's okay. Everything is a story to tell. We're gonna write our book. As far as you are doing good thing, you will face challenges. So I'm equal to the task. And what I go, I know very dark man is used to here too. All of us, we are used to here. Hey, look at your sister. Look at your sister, Gigi, baby. I will be my Diana Giga. You got a video and I get the mother as little as we can. She's a very beautiful lady. So I show you my kind of mother. She okay.
See us now.
I know I go cut. We are in cut. I know for a cut.
Acaria worldwide.
Don't be smart, no. God will lead us through.
Amen. No. Amen.
Remember when I did wear Suleja prison coat? I wore priestly. My first time of here is Suleja prison coat. Now Suleja here they drop me. Black Maria. As soon as they drop me, I go jump out of Black Maria. Just they go inside. The first time I came here, and Suleja prison, they carry me dump here. Now I'm walking with my feet. No guide. Nobody will guide me. I'm telling you. No wahala. It's okay. Everything is a story to tell. We're gonna write our book. As far as you are doing good thing, you will face challenges. So I'm equal to the task. And what I go, I know very dark man is used to here too. All of us, we are used to here.
I won't even battle. Nande bloggers say spring up because of Ogechi. Now those bloggers of Ogechi Meluha had you video blogging. Those people will be doing blogging because of Ogechi. I wonder why they don't want to share this video of Ogechi in court. But I wouldn't wait on a see Suleja Welabia. I might share video. Piam. Ogechi in prison uniform. Ogechi in this. Ogechi in this. Ogechi Kita. Okarisia walked into the courtroom majestically, shining, glittering. Why not shake? But I was interested in the court case. I was expecting them to go update here in different pages. But I am not seeing anyone. I'm not seeing any update again. My happiness is that no one wanted to know Ogechi Kuleba towards the end of this video. Eba what go meluke what na nwanne no gbasiri ike no gbasiri ike no dey equal to the task. What I go, I'm very happy. Hearing that alone gladdens my heart. What I go, this Okarisia one live and direct now. on actually the nye update maka the court case. Other game and all along the one nye update. I want another. But it seems like that some of you are no more interested in updating about this movement because now a lot of things you no plan are no more the same. A lot of things you no wish adrose to no see go now he decide ya na gana agba update court Ogechi now money ya dey go see nice outfit nice ifo gbanonu isiokwu go enwe decide ya na gana agba update court akita ma no promotion ke ya dazi enye Ogechi go ma no promotion river na-ekwu so ụfọdụ n'ime unu adrozi interested then that is why most of you eji wee ma Ogechi nwe court yesterday. Go. That is why some of you eji wee shopụta go Ogechi nwere court. Even na-ekwu and that is the hypocrisy of some of you. That is the hypocrisy of some of you. Icheta mgbe ahụ court case Ogechi ru ha kwa onye ọna n'ime unu na-anọrọ active. Onye ọna n'ime unu na-anọ active. A na-egosi anyị go. A na-egosi anyị ka anyị mara ife na-eme. Go. A na-egosi anyị update woto ka anyị mara ife na-eme because na ife unu chọrọ ka ndị mmadụ fụ ya ebe oyi akwa ahụ. That is not even a prison uniform. That is not even a prison uniform. Man, if unu chọrọ okwu unu fụ ya ebe ahụ ọnọ with ndị prison guard. Go edute prison ka ndị mmadụ were amụ ya amụ. So now unu lose go focus. Unu ahapụzide ama date ụbọchị enwere court. Unu ahapụzide ama date ụbọchị enwere court. Ndị okomoko ndị arụ na-eme ekwe eme ndị okwu na ụka mana God will keep disgracing you people. God will keep disgracing you people except if God is not alive, except if there is no God na eluebeni. Because na ọnwụrụ na Chineke kwe ka uche ndị ile anyị na-emezu mụ na gị nwere onye ya stand today because their wish for us is of evil and not of good. Onwe mgbe ha ji achọ ka anyị na-smile, onwe mgbe ha na-achọ ka anyị na-enwe aṅụrị, onwe mgbe ha ji achọ ka anyị na-atụ successful, onwere ife dum nwa ha na-eme expect ụgbọ na ha na-achọ ka anyị na-alavish in anguish and sadness, misery. So that is enough to show you the battle that God is fighting for you. Because now, na men, if men were God, now you see that God emego, they no longer update you about the court case. They no longer update you about the case. They no longer update you about anything because Nogawa Hosetu has to wait. Yeah? Ogenem, keep shining only. Keep smiling. Onye nwere ezigbo obi. Okwe ma nwee ezigbo obi agwa amono. Nwee ezigbo obi. Ezigbo obi nna gwụkwọ ya abụrụ nke ya wepụta ndị mmadụ na-akọ. No, onye nwere ezigbo obi mana ọsọ onye okwe ma sọsọ Chineke ma onye onye ọma. Sọsọ Chineke ma onye onye ọma onye akpata na ụbọchị ikpeazụ. A lot of people are shocked. Ka anyị chetara na Ogechi je court maka ishefugo and they wasn't interested because na odazi abia that court the way is we may expect. The moment they release Ogechi, some of you lose your focus na the case because the case adrozi as humiliating, as intimidating, into we may expect. So now no one bia court or ka agbala nwanyị ịghọta ga ifro ka o si wee na shine wala abata court. That is the Ogechi you don't want to see. That is the Ogechi you are not dreaming to see. Go. But the reality is here before you. You are not God. Because you can manipulate everybody and keep them, position them the way you want them to be, position them where you want them to be, put the words you want them to be speaking in their mouth. But life is not like that. Life is not like that. So you must be expecting disappointment, especially if you think that somebody else's sorrow will be your joy. You must be experiencing disappointment, just like this one, this case alone. Usually, ordinarily, yesterday Ogechi court, it could have been everywhere. But court case. No, there is no update, there is no announcement, people lose go focus. Share this video.